Agri Education Management Program now presents National Education Policy, School Education. Within that, we will be learning now ensuring universal access to education to all levels. In this, we will be dealing with the multiple pathways, bring back dropouts, alternative centers, paid tutoring, learning outcomes, and then finally build schools. So now I think we will be going through the things. Kanagiri Education Management Program presents ensuring universal access to education at all levels. The first slide being multiple pathways, involving both the formal and non-formal education modes. We have the picture shows that the formal education where students will go to the schools, informal educations, and then without school, I think people learn with the counselors to ensure access and opportunity to the all children. So this is a must and compulsory. And then bring back dropouts. To bring dropout children back to school, it's very, very difficult task. So here what basically we need is, looks difficult but can be done with the coordination effort of principal, teachers, parents, community heads, local leaders, welfare associations, schools, philanthropists and NGOs. I think unless until if you don't take things very seriously, so dropouts will be there. So we have to ensure that no dropout should be there, school dropout should be there. Alternative centers, we need to provide alternative and innovative education centers. Apart from schools, we need to have cluster innovation centers. So not only school, learning should be everywhere. Learning centers should be more. Apart from the formal and informal mode of education, we have to think of other alternative centers like innovative centers where children show interest in learning and skill acquiring. I think for this we need to take lot of care. Peer tutoring. We need to provide suitable tutoring for all categories, business and personal presentation. What is basically peer tutoring? Tutoring can be a powerful tool in improving inclusive classroom performance. It will be helpful in addressing diverse learning needs, and then what benefits it has: improving academic skills in the subject tutor. Tutors usually benefit by serving as expert, improve self-esteem, improve attitude toward the subject and school. Students with disabilities may enjoy higher levels of social acceptance. So this is very, very important. One has to follow this peer tutoring. Learning outcomes. So what we will be learning? So with this, focus will be on achieving desired learning outcomes at all levels. So we have to evaluate, engage and implement. So these are three important things. So unless until we don't evaluate, engage and implement ourselves, we are not going to achieve learning outcomes. Build schools. Promoting both the government and non-government philanthropic organization to build schools. Build schools means it is not confined to four walls. We have to think beyond four walls. So then only I think school has some meaning. What a good school should be. Visibility and substantially improves the community it is embedded within. Adapts quickly to social change. Uses every resources, advantage, gift and opportunity it has to grown students and tends to see more resource as advances. The good school has students who get along with the support one another towards a common goal and they know what the goal is. A good school admits its failures and limitations while working together with a global community to grow. A good school has diverse and compelling measures of success, measures that families and communities understand and value. A good school speaks the language of the children, families, and community it serves. A good school improves other schools and cultural organizations it's connected with. A good school understands the relationship between the curiosity, inquiry, and lost human changes. A good school makes certain that every single student and family feels welcome and understood on equal terms. A good school uses professional development designed to improve teacher capacity over time. A good school does not make empty promise, create misleading mission statements, or mislead parents and community members. A good school values its teachers and administrators and parents as agents of student success. A good school is willing to change its mind in the face of relevant trends, data, challenges, and opportunities. A good school teaches thought, not content. We have many things to say about a good school. We need to teach them even forming also. So they have to learn by practice, by knowing what we are doing. So then only I think we are giving real justice to the students community. Hopefully it should happen. Thank you very much.